Greetings auto enthusiasts, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class has come a long way, and the 214 series takes the legacy further. While the exterior design may not be everyone's cup of tea, Mercedes has put in a lot of effort to make it the best E-Class yet. With the MRA II platform of the C-Class and S-Class, the 214 is likely the last generation to feature internal combustion engines. The US lineup consists of the E354 Matic and E454 Matic, both powered by 4- and 6-cylinder turbo lumps backed up by a transmission-integrated electric motor. The European lineup is more diverse, with 6 flavors ranging from the 220D 4-cylinder turbo diesel to the range-topping 400E 4MATIC. The E400E 4MATIC is the most powerful of the bunch, while the rear-wheel drive E300E is the all-electric range champion. The MBUX Superscreen and infotainment system are other strong points of the E-Class, with 5G communication and the ability to run apps such as TikTok and Angry Birds. Production of the W214 will be split between Germany and China. While there is no information yet on the upcoming AMG models, the 214 series E-Class certainly sets the bar high for the competition.